gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and
The Vivo V30 Pro, set to launch globally on the 28th of February, is essentially a rebranded version of the Vivo S18 Pro, which was launched in China. Fast refresh rate AMOLED display, flagship processor, super slim in design, flagship camera setup, huge battery, and many more. Today I am going to show you review for Vivo V30 Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from Maiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon. For more amazing tech videos, let's start with the design. The design of the Vivo V30 Pro is striking with its shiny and attractive back. It comes in blue, black, and silver color options, and the back features a floral pattern resembling petals, which adds to its charm. The curved design on both sides of the phone ensures a comfortable grip, enhancing the in-hand feel. Moreover, it's impressively lightweight at 187 grams and has a thickness of 7.5 millimeters, making it remarkably light for a flagship phone. The Vivo V30 Pro features curved edges on both the back and front, providing a comfortable and secure grip. On the front, you'll find a 6.78-inch curved AMOLED display with a 93% screen-to-body ratio and a resolution of 1.5K. The display offers a peak brightness level of up to 2800 nits and includes a 2160Hz PWM dimming feature for eye protection, along with various other eye protection features. Now, let's talk about the camera of the Vivo V30 Pro. The phone comes with the Sony IMX920 flagship sensor in its main camera, which is also found in Vivo's flagship X100 series and the iQOO Neo 9 Pro. I have uploaded the unboxing and detailed review video of the iQOO Neo 9 Pro, and you can find the link in the description below or in the card above. Make sure to check it out. The IMX920 sensor has a sensor size of 1.49 inches, which is quite large, and it utilizes VCS human eye bionic technology. The phone also features the same ultra-wide-angle sensor found in Vivo's X100 series, boasting 50 megapixels. Additionally, it includes a 12-megapixel telephoto camera and a 50-megapixel front camera for selfies. With flagship-like camera specs, you can expect high-quality photos. You can check out sample photos here, thanks to VCS human eye biometric technology.
you gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around.
The phone not only offers flagship-level camera capabilities but also top-notch hardware. When it comes to performance, the phone is powered by the Dimensity 9200 Plus processor, which is the flagship processor of this year. Built on a 4nm process, it offers a maximum clock speed of 3.35 GHz. In terms of gaming performance, you can play King of Glory at the highest setting, where the image quality and frame rate are set to extreme levels. After playing King of Glory for 30 minutes at the highest setting, the average frame rate reaches up to 119.3 frames per second. with a maximum power consumption of 3.8 watts. The front temperature of the phone reaches up to 38.3 degrees, while the back temperature goes up to 37.7 degrees. Overall, the performance is quite good. In heavy games like Genshin Impact, playing at 60 frames per second extreme high frame rate results in an average frame rate of around 55 frames per second, with occasional frame drop issues. However, after playing for a while, both the front and back temperatures can reach up to 45.5 degrees, with noticeable fluctuations in the frame rate. Talking about the battery in the Vivo V30 Pro, it comes equipped with the same blue ocean battery found in Vivo's flagship X series, offering a capacity of 5000 mAh. Despite the sizable battery, the phone maintains a thickness of just 7.45 mm and a weight of 187 grams. It also supports 80W fast charging, allowing the battery to go from 0 to 100% in just 39 minutes. Talking about the price of the Vivo V30 Pro, it starts at around 3,199 Chinese yuan in China, which converts to approximately 357 UK pounds or $450 US. In conclusion, the phone offers superb design, is lightweight and handy, features flagship-level cameras, good battery life, and above-average performance. Now, we just have to wait and see at what price it launches globally. The launch is scheduled for the 28th of February, so there isn't much longer to wait. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
Breathe in.